is no one holy like the Lord. There is no one besides you. There is no rock like our God. Strong as a lion, sweet as a dove, Spirit of God, full of love. Be Holy Spirit. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. Be holy. Like the Holy One who called you, be holy yourselves, also in all your behavior, because it is written, you shall be holy, for I am holy. I am a witness, breath of life. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord Almighty. The whole earth is full of His glory. Be Holy Spirit. You are to be holy to me, because I, the Lord, am holy, and have set you apart from the nations to be my own. Be holy. Just as He who called you is holy, so be holy in all you do. For it is written, be holy, because I am holy. He will deliver peace and joy. Make every effort to live in peace with everyone and to be holy. Without holiness, no one will see the Lord. Peace and joy. Be Holy Spirit. Search me, O God, and know my heart. Test me and know my anxious thoughts. See if there is any offensive way in me, and lead me in the way of everlasting. Seek good, not evil, that you may live. Then the Lord God Almighty will be with you, just as you say He is. Be Holy Spirit. Put on the new self, created to be like God in true righteousness and holiness. Be holy. Therefore, since we have these promises, dear friends, let us purify ourselves from everything that contaminates body and spirit, perfecting holiness out of reverence for God.